Welcome to our head office, Anchrom, which is situated in Mumbai. In this video, we will show you our sophisticated analytical instruments at our lab. Over these few years, we upgraded ourselves to the next level to reach a new height. We are not only India's oldest supplier of analytical instruments but also the first lab that provides support to pre and post sales. Anchrom has a rich history dating back to 1978. We first made our mark with the thin layer chromatography technique, which later evolved into high performance thin layer chromatography. Our dedication has driven us to expand our expertise into wet chemistry analyzers, NIR analyzers, Shopan technology, and iCinac fermentation monitor along with TLC and HPTLC. We are committed to educate and promote CAMAG HPTLC systems, AMS Alliance SmartChem, Futura, Unity specific SpectraStar NIR, Shopan Technologies, and iCinac fermentation monitor, which are crucial systems in a variety of application fields including herbal, pharmaceutical, water analysis, food industry, quality baked goods, dairy products, and etc. We not only have the HPTLC system like the visualizers, scanners, applicator, derivatizers, development modules, MS interface. Now we also have these water analyzers, the SmartChem 450 and Futura, and a food analyzer NIR. They all come under KPM Analytics. But what is KPM? KPM Analytics enables companies to effectively manage product quality and brand value. They are a global leader in scientific instrumentations, focused primarily on analyzing critical quality parameters in the food, agricultural, industrial, environmental, and clinical industries. This SmartChem series is widely used for the automation of manually run wet chemistry testing in environmental, industrial, and research laboratories, including regulatory and quality control testing. In our lab, we have the SmartChem 450. This instrument is a fully automated platform for photometric and electrochemical analysis. As per the name 450, that many tests can be held per hour with optional pH and conductivity parameter. It also has a robotic arm and a reaction chamber where the reagents and sample will react and results will be detected by photometrically or electrochemically as per requirements with the help of a software. We also have Futura. This platform reflects this experience in the market and provides a complete and reliable laboratory solution for automatic testing of a wide range of parameters. This has been designed to operate with high productivity and efficiency from simple to the most complex analysis. Up to 120 samples per hour can perform. 14 consoles can be run simultaneously. Each console has a role of assigned to detect. But here at Anchrom, we have two consoles. One for the test of nitrates and nitrites, and the other is a multitester which can be handled by 5 parameters like ammonia, chromium, phosphate, nitrates, nitrites, and silicates. And now, here is the brief differentiation between these two analyzers.
We also have high performance extended range NIR Analyzer, the near infrared analyzer. This SpectraStar NIR infrared analyzer offers outstanding accuracy and reliability for rapid compositional analysis of solid, slurry, or liquid sample. Meaning, we all would love to know what we are actually eating ultimately. These analyzers are based on a scanning monochromator platform offering high signal to noise ratio and the best spectral quality available. It covers a broad range of wavelengths from 600 to 2600 nanometer. It also has many ready to use calibrations available for common applications and constituents. The next we have is Shopan. With over a century of excellence, Shopan products have helped us bring new methods for analyzing cereals, flour, and their derivatives. Shopan products help customers ensure operational specifications, regulatory compliance, and quality standards are met. What we have is the Edgeometric Tool, is a simple and precise instrument based on the Amperometric method, which is used to measure damaged starch in flour for the mining and baking industries. It is a fully automated enzyme-free analyzer that produces a reliable measurement of starch damage with only 1 gram of flour and within 10 minutes. It provides accurate, reliable data measurement. The analysis conditions are easy to control and there is a minimal human handling. It has a standardized method. Hence, this guarantees precision, reproducibility, and repeatability of the results. Now, the Mixolab 2 is a universal dough characterizer that is used to evaluate the quality and baking performance of flour and thus understand dough behavior. Just in a single test, the Mixolab 2 provides a comprehensive picture of dough behavior during the baking process, including water absorption capacity, mixing stability, initial resistance to heating, change in viscosity during heating, viscosity at high temperature, and viscosity during cooling. This tests all type of sample flour, wheat, rice, corn, beans, etc. This also has multiple built-in test protocols. You only need just 50 gram of a flour. Fully automated testing for a complete assessment will be done in 45 minutes. Now, we have the AMS Alliance, the iCinac wired and wireless analyzer, which is a fully integrated system for lactic acid bacteria fermentation monitoring and kinetic analysis, as well as a multi-channel fermentation bioreactor control unit. It reduces product development timelines because of the reactor scale, efficient design, and your choice of ferment. It allows you to adapt the configuration to your need. Here's an overview differentiation between the wired iCinac and the wireless iCinac. So, these are all the instruments that we currently have in our lab. Thank you for watching this video and feel free to contact us.